Hey guys, I'm Thomas.
And I'm Melissa.
Welcome to Home on the Hitch. We travel around in our RV trying to find ways to make every moment count.
Because tomorrow is never guaranteed. So if this sounds like you or you're interested in RV travel,
Hang out with us for a little while and let us answer some questions. Today we're going to look at this M-Class travel trailer by Grand Design. Stick around. So up front on this Grand Design Momentum, you've got the typical Grand Design styling, two 20-pound propane tanks, power tongue jack, and your batteries up front. Let's see if we got some weight numbers here. We got a cargo of 2,760 pounds and a gross vehicle weight rating of 12,000 pounds. Dual 6,000 pound axles, E-rated 16-inch tires, Goodyear Endurance, so you don't have to worry about those. Socket comes installed already, or already comes with an Onan 4,000 watt inverter generator installed, so that's pretty sweet. The water bay is enclosed in its own compartment, so that's really awesome. I do like when they separate that out. You've got the back of your furnace, you've got the back of your water heater here, two gray tanks, one black tank. There are your connections, and the pull handles are just right under there. That's the exhaust for the generator coming out this side. The only thing I don't like about that is that it's sticking out a little bit far, so you have to be really careful about kicking that. So Schwintek slide on this slide and the smaller back slide, all frameless tinted windows, a 30 amp plug, no suspension upgrade, so you probably want to look at that, but again, 16-inch E-rated tires. It's going to be a short, thin slide out here, but again, it is a Schwintek slide with the pop-out side ladder. There's going to be your fuel tank and fuel hose access there, and manual stabilizers. LED lighting. That's the back door with the Thule awning that comes straight out over it, so when you put your deck out, you have a real nice room. Wired for a Furrion backup camera. Frameless windows again on this side. One single power awning takes about 2/3 of the space of the coach. Comes with the tire link by Lippert already installed. It's like standard 3-step folding aluminum steps. Would like to see those as a solid step, but they probably did that because it's a toy hauler, gonna hope, with the generator. So they think it's gonna be some uneven terrain probably. If you look down here, got your low point drains and this really tall storage compartment with a very thin access door. But there's your 30 amp cord in there. Your tire link system, and this is open all the way to the roof. All right, so that is the outside. Let's go inside.
all right, so welcome inside.
All right.
This unit has this really cute little jump seat here when you walk in the door with cubbies in the bottom to store your shoes.
Cool, nice.
I like that. And then up here is a cabinet that has all of your controls in it,
Yep.
with a little extra space for your important materials.
Very nice.
It also has two access points to the bathroom, so you can reach it through this door here when you come in, or you can reach it through the bedroom in here. So the bedroom has this really nice queen-size bed, and it's an east-west bed.
Yeah, I like that.
It has outlets and USB in the bottom there. The bed does not lift up for storage.
No storage.
It has these pass-through storage overhead, and it has these really cute cabinets, or it has these really cute shelves in the corners there that you could put your phone or a drink on,
Right.
or your flashlight. It does have 2 AC units, one in the bedroom and one in the main area. This is a really nice dresser, lots of counter space, and this big
area, yeah.
this big mirror is beautiful. You've got a couple of cabinets down here that's pass through, and like 3 drawers, and there's your
Fuse box. Awesome.
And then this looks like a medicine cabinet, but it is not.
What is it?
It is your hanging wardrobe.
Yay,
It's a really big
amazing.
space. Yeah.
So, nice size shower.
Yeah.
Pretty respectful bathroom. Yeah.
Lots of cabinet space.
Awesome. All right.
Very nice. You have prime pooping position.
That's
You get
right.
to look out
Prime
the window.
pooping position.
All right. So in the kitchen, you have this 12-volt fridge that is huge. I mean, there's a lot of space in there.
Or call 12-volt DC. Yes. So, all right. Sorry.
One for Mel.
One for Mel. All right. Go ahead.
All right, so then you also have this Furrion cooktop, oven, microwave. It does have a vented vent on top,
That's
so
nice.
that is a plus. It has a beautiful 3-burner stove and a little bitty oven with a big drawer underneath, like most do.
Right.
You have very large drawers in here. They are not the soft closed drawers, but that's okay. You have a very large space underneath the sink. You have that whole space, so it's a good place for your trash can. And I do love the cabinets in here. They were mindful to stack the shelving.
Yeah.
So that
nice.
you can reach things.
Staggered.
Right, and this keeps the big boxes from going all the way to the back.
Nice.
Not that I could reach them anyway, but. And then you have the out-of-the-way cabinetry. I do like this toy hauler because it has a table. It has more living space, it seems like, than others. So you have a table, and these chairs fold up.
Cool.
You have tons of windows. Like, this unit feels very, very open. What is
That's
this?
interesting. Couch.
What is this called?
A couch?
No.
Jackknife?
Jackknife, okay. All right, so on the slide you have this little jackknife couch, which you could easily, I think, take out this furniture.
Right.
And make it your own. Like, you could really customize a space like this.
Absolutely.
You don't have to use this furniture, though. You did pay a lot of money for it.
Right.
But maybe somebody who wasn't interested in the toy hauling aspect, but wanted a space that was easier for them to personalize and deconstruct by putting their own type of furniture in here and decorating. You have such a clean palette.
Right.
And then you have the screened room that become the toy hauler. When you lower the gate, you have the screen room that you can build, so that just extends your living space.
The whole deck there. Yeah.
Yeah,
Nice.
you could remove these bench seats here.
The bed that comes down.
Right, you have a bed that comes down. I think there's so much potential here.
Yeah, a lot of space.
And anyway, so you have the two jackknife sofas here, and then the king size bed, queen size bed.
Yeah, I guess it's probably at least a queen.
Right. And then you have your little seating area with a side table, so that just increases the amount of eating space available in here. And then you've got this giant TV, so this would be great for people who have some kind of a crew that they travel with or whatever.
It's
you
really
could
nice.
6 people.
A lot of folks in here.
Easy.
And a big Rockford Fosgate subwoofer. That's interesting.
Well, because you got to rock out your jams when you're here with your crew.
Right. Go MT30G.
So I like the decoration that they used in here. It's kind of manly, but not too much.
It's nice.
It's just very neutral, and I like the big sink and the marble tops.
Yeah. It's nice.
Good job.
That's the Grand Design MT30G. So check it out if you like it. I think that's going to do it for this one, guys. Till next time, take care of each other, love each other, and
make every moment count.
see you next time, guys.